Welcome. Have a seat. I am happy to see you here again learning more about psychology. But if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Now let's start. Scientific research is a systematic and organized effort to increase our understanding of the world around us. It is a way of answering questions and solving problems through the use of evidence and logical reasoning. The process of scientific research involves several steps, which may vary depending on the specific research question being addressed. However, some general steps are followed in most scientific research projects. 1. Forming a research question. The first step in the process of scientific research is to identify a problem or question that needs to be addressed. This can be done through observations of the natural world, reading about previous research in the field, or consulting with experts. The research question should be specific, testable, and capable of being answered through the collection of data. 2. Conducting a literature review. Once a research question has been identified, the next step is to conduct a literature review. This involves reviewing the existing research on the topic to gain a better understanding of the current state of knowledge and to identify any gaps or inconsistencies that need to be addressed in the current study. 3. Developing a hypothesis. After reviewing the literature, the researcher will develop a hypothesis, which is an educated guess or prediction about the outcome of the study. The hypothesis should be based on the existing knowledge of the topic and should be specific and testable. 4. Designing the study. The next step is to design the study, which involves deciding on the research methods and techniques that will be used to collect and analyze data. This may include selecting a sample of subjects, developing a protocol for data collection, and choosing the appropriate statistical analysis techniques. 5. Collecting and analyzing data. Once the study has been designed, the researcher will collect and analyze the data. This may involve conducting experiments, observing subjects, or collecting data from existing sources. The data should be analyzed systematically and objectively, using appropriate statistical techniques. 6. Interpreting and reporting results. After the data has been collected and analyzed, the researcher will interpret the results and draw conclusions based on the evidence. The results of the study should be presented clearly and concisely, including any limitations or implications of the study. 7. Disseminating results. The final step in the process of scientific research is to disseminate the results of the study to the wider scientific community. This may involve publishing the results in a scientific journal, presenting the findings at a conference, or sharing the results with other researchers through informal channels such as email or social media. Overall, the process of scientific research is a systematic and organized approach to understanding the natural world and solving problems. It involves identifying a research question, reviewing the existing literature, developing a hypothesis, designing a study, collecting and analyzing data, interpreting and reporting results, and disseminating the findings to the scientific community. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future content, please don't hesitate to comment and reach out.